What's the meaning of baccarat? Baccarat. Baccarat.
Baccarat. Baccarat. Baccarat is a popular card game that originated in Italy during the 15th century. The game is also known as punto banco and is often associated with high rollers. In baccarat, players bet on whether the banker or the player will have a hand that totals closest to 9. Each hand consists of 2 or 3 cards, and the value of each card is added together to determine the hand's total. Aces are worth 1 point, face cards and tens are worth 0 points, and all other cards are worth their numerical value. Baccarat has gained popularity around the world due to its simple rules and high-stakes gameplay.